Hi everybody, so I got my Norwex today and it's my Descaler, and this is great for removing lime and calcium stains and rust and soap scum from different areas. So my washing machine has a huge stain on it, so I thought I would give it a try. So I'm going to show you the before of it. See, it's all nasty and stuff. So I've already sprayed my descaler on it, so it's been on there for about 10 minutes. So now all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my wet Enviro cloth and I'm just going to scrub it off and show you how it works. So if my husband can bring the camera over here and watch while I do it. And it's all stuck on there, so you have to scrub it and scrub it. But you can see that it's slowly coming off. But you can see that it's slowly coming off with just the Norwex, with the Enviro cloth and my descaler. And of course it was a hard-on stain, so I'm having to scrub a little harder than I would normally. But I am scrubbing with my Norwex cloth, but it is still coming off. And I won't keep you for the whole video to show you how I clean it all off. But now you can see the big part down here is cleaner than it was when I first started. So that works on your showers, bathtubs, shower doors. It works really well on boats. If you have water stains on the underside of your boats, this works really well for that. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I will do another video later. Thanks.